Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode which is 2011. So in this question there is given a one variable x, and if there is x plus plus or plus plus x, then you just have to increment the variable x by 1, and if there is an x minus minus and minus minus x, then you just have to decrement by 1. Okay, and you just have to return the final value of x. Okay, so let's do this. Int answer equals to 0. First we initialize answer equals to 0, and then I will traverse through the operation. For int I equals to 0, I less than operations dot size and I plus plus, and I just have to check if I equals to minus minus x or operation of I is equals to x minus minus, and same for this operation of I. If it is follows this condition, then you just have to do answer minus equals to 1. Okay, else you just have to plus answer plus 1, and after this loop you just have to return the answer. Let's run this code, whether it is running properly or not. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.